True or tricky? Everyday choices game. Hey again, curious thinkers. Welcome back to our True or Tricky challenge. Today's video is all about smart habits for school, staying curious and safe, and having a growth mindset. Whether you're raising your hand in class, walking to the bathroom, or working a group project, your choices matter. Smart choices make school more fun, keep everyone safe, and help you grow into someone others can count on. Just like before, I'll read a statement, and you guess if it's true, a strong habit, or tricky, a habit that seems okay but causes problems. Then we'll talk about the why and how to reflect. Let's sharpen those brains and get started. Chapter 1: School and Learning Attitude. Statement: if I don't understand something, it's better to stay quiet so I don't look silly. Answer: tricky. Staying silent keeps you from learning. Asking questions shows you're eager to understand and helps others too. Reflection: have you ever felt better after asking a question in class? Statement: joining class discussions helps me learn and shows I'm interested. Answer: true. Great job. Participating shows you're engaged and helps you grasp the material better. Level up. Aim to share one idea or question in each class. Statement: asking for help means I'm not smart enough. Answer: tricky. Everyone needs help sometimes. Seeking assistance shows you're committed to learning. Reflection: when did asking for help lead to a better understanding? Statement: multitasking with games or chatting helps me get through boring assignments. Answer: tricky. Dividing attention can lead to mistakes and longer completion times. Reflection: how do you feel when you finish a task without distractions? Statement: concentrating on one task at a time helps me do my best work. Answer: true. Well done. Focused work leads to better results and less stress. Level up. Set a timer for 20 minutes of focused work, then take a short break. Statement: complimenting a classmate's work can make them feel good and build our friendship. Answer: true. Nice. Encouragement fosters a positive classroom environment. Level up. Give a genuine compliment to a different classmate each day. Statement: if someone does better than me, I should ignore it to avoid feeling bad. Answer: tricky. Celebrating others' successes can inspire you and strengthen friendships. Reflection: how do you feel when someone acknowledges your achievements? Statement: feedback is just criticism and doesn't help me. Answer: tricky. Feedback provides guidance to help you grow and improve. Reflection: can you recall a time when feedback helped you do better? Chapter 2: Safety at School and Self-Control. Statement: running in the hallways is fun and gets me there faster. Answer: tricky. Running can lead to accidents and hurt others. Safety comes first. Reflection: have you seen someone get hurt from running indoors? Statement: using scissors or tools improperly can be dangerous. Answer: true. Absolutely. Proper use prevents accidents and keeps everyone safe. Level up. Teach a younger student how to use a tool safely. Statement: it's okay to play with classroom tools as long as I'm careful. Answer: tricky. Tools are for specific purposes. Playing with them can lead to accidents. Reflection: have you ever seen a tool used in a way that caused a problem? Statement: walking calmly in the halls keeps everyone safe. Answer: true. Great choice. Safe behavior protects you and your classmates. Level up. Remind a friend to walk safely if you see them running. Statement: telling on someone makes me a tattletale. Answer: tricky. Reporting dangerous behavior isn't tattling, it's keeping everyone safe. Reflection: how can you tell the difference between tattling and reporting? Statement: yelling or hitting is the best way to show I'm upset. Answer: tricky. Aggressive actions can hurt others and don't solve problems. Reflection: what could you do instead when you feel angry? Statement: if I see someone doing something dangerous, I should tell a teacher. Answer: true. Correct. Reporting unsafe behavior helps prevent accidents. Level up. Learn the names of trusted adults you can go to in different situations. Chapter 3: Growth Mindset and Problem Solving. Statement: if I can't solve a problem right away, I should give up. Answer: tricky. Persistence is key to overcoming challenges. Reflection: can you recall a time when not giving up paid off? Statement: if my first idea doesn't work, I should try another way. Answer: true. Great thinking. Flexibility leads to success. Level up. Keep a list of strategies that help you when you're stuck. Statement: mistakes are a sign that I'm not good at something, so I should avoid making them. Answer: tricky. Mistakes are opportunities to learn and improve. Embrace them. Reflection. What's a mistake you've made that helped you get better at something? Statement. When I feel stuck, asking, "What can I do next?" helps me find a solution. Answer. True. Yes. Asking this question opens your mind to new solutions and keeps you on track. Level up. Next time you're stuck, try writing down 3 things you could do next. Statement. Winning is the only thing that matters. Effort doesn't count. Answer. Tricky. Focusing only on winning makes us forget about the hard work that leads to success. Reflection. How do you feel when you're recognized for effort instead of just results? Statement. When I get stuck, it's best to just quit and try something else. Answer. Tricky. Giving up doesn't help you grow. Instead, asking, "What can I do next?" keeps you moving forward. Reflection. When was the last time you didn't give up on something challenging? Statement. Celebrating effort helps me stay motivated to keep trying. Answer. True. Great choice. Recognizing effort helps you appreciate your progress no matter the outcome. Level up. Celebrate one small effort you made this week, regardless of the result. Chapter 4. Responsibility in group work. Statement. It's okay if I don't contribute to the group project as long as it's done in the end. Answer. Tricky. Contributing your part helps the group succeed and teaches responsibility. Reflection. What part of a group project have you been proud to contribute to? Statement. If I don't agree with someone's idea, I should ignore it and stick to my own. Answer. Tricky. Respecting others' ideas helps you collaborate and find better solutions. Reflection. How can you show respect for someone's idea, even if you don't agree with it? Statement. Doing my part in a group project helps the whole team succeed. Answer. True. Absolutely. When everyone does their part, the project turns out great. Level up. Ask your group what you can do to help even more next time. Statement. Respecting different ideas can lead to a better group outcome. Answer. True. Great job. Different perspectives can improve creativity and solutions. Level up. Next time, try to build on someone else's idea to make it even better. Statement. It's okay to distract my group if I'm bored. Someone will get back to the work. Answer. Tricky. Distractions can derail the group's progress. Staying on task helps everyone finish faster. Reflection. What distractions can you avoid next time to stay focused with your group? Statement. If I focus only on my part of the project, The group will be fine. Answer: tricky. A group project is about collaboration, not just individual work. Helping each other leads to better results. Reflection: how can you help someone else with their part of a group task? Statement: staying on task with my group helps us finish our project on time. Answer: true. Nice. Staying focused as a team makes work smoother and faster. Level up. Try reminding your group to stay focused if you notice distractions. Wow! You've just leveled up your school smarts, safety sense, and teamwork with us today. Remember, every good choice you make is like planting a seed that grows your future. So next time you're in class, online, or just hanging with friends, ask yourself, is this helping me grow into my best self? Thanks for playing True or Tricky. See you in the next episode, and keep making those smart, strong, kind choices.